traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 12th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on gold, definitely make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold, yeah, I originally thought that gold was going to go down and make a bigger pullback before it actually continued up, but that's what happens when the trend is up on literally all the higher time frames. The trend is up on the monthly, up on the weekly, up on the daily. Technically, it's up on the 4 hour. When the trend is up on every single time frame, what normally happens is it makes higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now, this 61.8 has been my target for gold for quite a while now for a wave 3 on the weekly time frame, but you have to understand that this is just a minimum target for a wave 3. Wave 3s can go way, way, way beyond the 161.8 Fibonacci extension that you can see on my full top down analysis on the weekly monthly time frame. So it doesn't have to stop here. It does seem like a pretty likely place to make a pullback, but I don't really think I would be trying to sort it. There's no reason why this thing couldn't blow right past here and go way, way higher than this. Like I said, this area is just a minimum target for a wave 3. Wave 3s often go way, way, way higher than you would expect. So, anyways, we do have a little bit of news coming out tomorrow in the New York session. We have, let's see here, we have consumer sentiment, the primary consumer sentiment, which is normally the good one, and we have inflation expectations tomorrow. So we have some pretty decent news coming out tomorrow. Hopefully that will cause some movement in the markets because that's how we make money, is with volatility. So anyways, definitely don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.